IVM.
कृपया ध्यान दीजिए, the language used on the podcast may not be fit for consumption. We warn you, tread carefully. But listen yaar, don't be so conservative. Seven, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, bloody blast off! Yes, Cyrus says, in case you're having a bad morning, things suck, or if you're in another part of the world and it's evening and things suck, this show won't help. I've got to just tell you right in the beginning, it's laid out there. This is probably, I've gone through other shows. This is the worst show I've ever heard or seen. But today we may get a guest who will try and save us. We have a young man called Mukul Chadda himself who's come on. But before he comes on, I want to just tell him something about the English language which I've learned. Did you know that rhythm is the longest English word without any vowels? That's R-H-Y-T-H-M. So there's no E-I-O-U, A-E-I-O-U. It's R-H-Y-T-H-Y-M. I hope that's correct. Rhythm, the longest English word without a vowel. This is my little knowledge nugget for the day. But then I thought about it. In Indian English, there is another word which is a little longer, and that's a hut. Because when you say it when you're angry, you hold it longer. So it's hata. In Punjabi, it's even longer. Hata!
If you love cricket, listen up. The Edges and Sledges Cricket Podcast is here for you. Hosted by DJ, Varun, and me, Ashwin, we bring a fun, fresh fan's point of view to talking all things cricket. Sometimes it's just the three of us, sometimes we have guests, including current and former international cricketers. For new episodes every week, check out the Edges and Sledges Cricket Podcast on the IVM app, website, or wherever you get your podcasts.
And speaking of Punjabi, Mukul Chadda is right there. Mukul, please join us and save this delinquent show of ours, which goes nowhere, by telling us of your achievements. Last time it was that wonderful show, The Office, for which you won an award, which of course came after you spoke to us. We'll talk about that later. But first, welcome to the show. Sab theek hai? You're looking good.
All good, all good.
Everyone has this beard now, yaar. Fuzz, fizz, whatever it's called.
Yeah. Lockdown में एक फायदा है. You don't have to shave also. But listen, I am not going to.
I'm just writing down COVID potential. Yeah. I'm just putting it down. COVID ka chance hai. Because one cough happened.
And there's a new study that's come out now in Korea that it can actually spread through the microphone and through the internet.
This is North Korea. This is North Korea.
Yeah, of course.
Which haven't got either microphones or internet. They just had that guy with the fun.
You know how many COVID cases in North Korea?
None. He's just shot everyone.
Exactly, yeah, exactly.
If you have a cold, you're shot. It's like that. There's no question of spread.
It's best way of finishing it off.
Look, it's a way of healing. Don't knock it till you try it. I'm saying people are just too critical always. Sometimes I wonder, our democracy sucks. Maybe that's a better way of doing things, At least you know where you stand.
No, what democracy?
You won't get the next award if you behave like this. You have to toe the line. Okay, first things first, very prolific because we hardly spoke maybe a year and a bit back, and you've already, in this lockdown where people are struggling, actors don't have money to pay their cosmetic surgery bills. I've been told lots of women are lying outside Leelavati saying I'm incomplete, wearing shawls. But you have got two shows, almost back, one show and one film, is it?
Yeah.
So let's start with Sunflower. I've seen a lot of the promos going around. Seems like something I'll really enjoy. It's a naughty crime comedy show, a mixed comedy and crime, which are my two favorite genres. And that's why I'm in India. Because capital of both.
Because it's also good for you for people like who don't have attention disorder deficit, right? Because you think you're following the crime, you don't want to follow the crime. Then there's comedy. Then if the comedy, you can't follow the jokes also, you get back to the crime. So it's good for people like that because they realized, I think, that most people in the country are like that only.
And it's a crack team, Mukul, that you put together. Well, whoever's put together. So give us a bit.
Me.
So Dr. Ahuja kaun hai? Kya karta hai exactly? Apparently, we've got this side note that he's a very angry man.
He's a very angry man. It's actually, I actually would change it to say he's a very misunderstood fellow. Yeah. He doesn't get angry just like that. Only if you don't listen to what he says, then he gets angry. If he gives you an order and he tells you ki aise karo, especially to his wife, if she doesn't cook food at the right temperature, then naturally he feels, aggrieved that this is not correct. And if his neighbor, parks his car in his garage, despite the fact that Dr. Ahuja doesn't have a car, but it's upsetting, right? And then he gets annoyed. So this is the normal person you see in a building society. This is the most normal human being that you will find. So Dr. Ahuja is playing one of those people. And it's a fun role for me as Cyrus because it's a very different character from what I normally play. So I was very happy to get the part because it is a great part. It's a great part. It's like
But you just mentioned that basically Dr. Ahuja gets angry
yeah,
all the time if you don't follow his orders. He's a normal guy.
Yeah.
But agar you back answer him or go against him, he gets angry, right?
yeah.
So in a sense, it's a parallel to the government. I would feel that Dr.
Yeah,
Ahuja
except-
represents personification of the government. It's fabulous thinking here.
I'm going to drop the analogy here because I'm going to say more things about Dr. Ahuja, and then I'm scared about because Dr. Ahuja is also a bit of a coward. Like he's the kind of guy if you get back at him, then he's scared. So he's also a scared mouse. I mean, he'll take it out on his wife and all that. And his son who doesn't listen to him. But if he feels there's a problem, he'll run away. He's not the bravest guy. He's not that Delhi mad guy who'll get into a fight with someone 6 times his size. He's not that.
He's the Gurgaon mid-level guy who starts the fight and says, now I want to get out.
He's that. And just say whatever and then quickly Kisko get somebody else fight or whatever, or he'll come and puncture your tire quietly later. That way, because he thinks he's smart, right? So he's a professor. So his doctor is not a medical doctor. He's a double PhD.
PhD. That's a doctor in philosophy. Double
PhD. Double PhD in chemistry.
A bit like you, basically over-educated for the kind of work you're doing. A little bit like that.
Yeah, but that's because the kind of work I'm doing is like that only. Now what to do? I mean, we have to. But if I had gone class 5, it's okay.
Blame the writers. But give us a premise now. Exactly situation. I mean, what is the whole?
So I'll tell you. So there is a building society called Sunflower, which is it has all people like Dr.
So typical of Mumbai building names, I must say. Well done to the writers.
Very bright. Like this thing. And it's got this one gentleman, Dilip Iyer, who's standing for elections because he wants to make the society, the perfect society, etc. All that stuff is happening. You have neighborly fights and all that. And a dude gets murdered. Within the first, 5-10 minutes, you see a guy gets murdered. And now the cops come in for an investigation. So there's this investigation track going on. And, through the investigation track, you start meeting this madhouse, these characters in this madhouse and figuring out what's happening. So that's hilarious. There's Sunil Grover, who's done a fantastic job. He plays
fantastic.
This character called... Yeah. He's just absolutely fantastic in this. He plays this...
in the show we did called LOL. He cheated from start to finish. He kept this half smile on and we couldn't catch him. From the beginning, waisa hi tha, a little bit. And he just controlled it beautifully, so you couldn't call him. Even Baman and Arshad, the judges were going berserk. They wanted to catch him, but he remained frozen.
Perfect.
So he's another level. Sorry, go on.
And he's like that. He's playing this 14-year-old guy who's trapped in a 35-year-old guy's body. And he's just like, and he plays it perfectly. I mean, I can watch him all day long when he's doing his stuff. So he's one of the prime suspects. I am one of the prime suspects. There are a few other prime suspects that go around. Everybody can be prime, okay? Everybody suspects, okay? Whatever. So that happens.
It depends on salary. Mukkal Chadda, it depends on the salary of the actor. How much were they paid? Those are the prime suspects.
Then I'm not a suspect at all. Then I'm like...
manager ka naam kya hai? Let me have a word here. This is wrong.
No, please, Cyrus, please talk on my behalf.
Then you can really become Dr. Ahuja. You'll transform.
I've come on this call only to ask you, next season 2 ke liye thoda sa, you just please help me. Because that's all that matters.
The next building society will be Sea Wind. I'm telling you, there are 5-6 generic names here, Mumbai. They
Correct.
all have the same name. So you could see Sea Wind, Sunflower.
Around my house only there are how many seas, wind, correct. Sea kissed, sun mist, you get confused.
And as they go further back or there's more construction, you can't see the sea, they still carry on. Sea breeze.
Sea view is best.
Sea view
is farthest from the sea. That's like,
you can't see anything. You can see sea breeze, and from sea breeze you can see the sea. It's like that. Yeah, let's get back to the show. So basically, building society, murder ho jata hai, usme investigation ho jata hai, and then it comedy of errors, I suppose, from there it triggers
complete madness because all great. And then Ranveer Shori is playing the chief investigating cop. And Girish Kulkarni is his...
He's looking a little fat in, or was it muscle? I can't tell on some ad films I'm watching. Has he gained weight for this role?
No, this role he's looking like a...
He's just lazy and fat.
I don't know whether he's like... Ranveer might be that level of a method actor that he puts on weight for an ad. That's quite impressive. That's very impressive.
What a bastard, Mukul, really.
No, I'm just saying. But he's done a fabulous job in this one.
He got our first joke on the show, by the way. This is the first good joke. So we can advertise this as the jokes on this show, at least on this podcast.
Come on, Cyrus. Yeah. I've made a commitment. I'm not going to talk much on the show. You're going to crack all the jokes because
No,
last
listen,
time I came.
but your philosophy is fantastic. I'm just thinking the guy is going to one day shoot for which he puts on weight.
It's
completely
impressive.
transformed.
I don't know.
Right?
I'm just saying, people are very committed. But he's done a fabulous job in this show. He plays this absolute
What does he do?
no-nonsense
Sorry,
cop.
we didn't. What does he do?
He's Inspector Digender. He's the chief investigating guy.
Ginder.
And Digender. And his assistant is his sub-inspector is Girish Kulkarni, who's another fabulous actor, who's just womanizing on the side. I mean, he's using all the advantage of being the sub-inspector on this case. कि मतलब ये location खाली है वगैरह वगैरह, and he's romancing and womanizing on the side. So मतलब सब
He goes to the sunflower female quota.
He goes everywhere. He goes where no man has been before. He goes everywhere. And
no man will want to go again.
But he's so it's all mad characters. I mean, it's one of those type of shows where everybody's like twat to another level, and it's a mad ride. So it's been fun, and I had a blast doing it. It was just
you all shot this during lockdown, or in between 6 months where they kept us open.
Yes, yeah. In the when the lockdown ended, even after that, and when like first wave was ending, and suddenly all shows were like we desperately need to shoot because there's no content. So in that November-December period, we shot this one. That's when most of the shooting happened, I guess, between November and February or whatever, right? The bulk of it was like, torso it. And I'm worried that now again shooting will start, right? I mean, I'm worried because I haven't got my second jab. So I want to get my second jab and then go and start.
How did you get a second jab? You're under 45. How old are you?
I'm 62, yeah.
62, Baisa. That's okay. Okay, we'll organize it. We'll send it to your house.
I'm 62.
We'll send it to your house.
62. I still, despite saying 62, I actually haven't managed to get a second jab, but I'm trying very desperately to get it because.
So what's the deal now? You have to have 2 jabs when you go on an open set.
No, I don't know what the deal is because
What about the child actor? The child actor is the lead. Then what are you going to do?
Then you don't no need. Now the children don't need apparently now. When we mess it up, when some other wave comes and children get affected, then we'll wake up and say, "Acha, chalo, we have to do something about it."
I think you've become Dr. Ahuja. I feel your anger and your angst immediately.
No. Dr. Ahuja is very angry. Dr. Ahuja can get very angry, and it's also like but for important things, right? Like for example, if his wife puts the wrong number of ice cubes in his drink, then that's not nice, right? I mean, think about it. Every day she's doing this.
You're going to talk to the wrong guy. I totally accept this. How can you put if you know the guy likes 3 cubes, why would you put 2? I mean,
exactly.
That makes sense to me.
That's
just insulting. That's like you forget the guy's name or you say half the name. Muk yaar, muk bhul gaya abhi. I mean, it's a little irritating, 20 years the guy knows his name. Why can't you put 3?
Exactly. It's not Dr. Ahuja's fault. It's the circumstances around him that really, drive him insane. And that's not fair.
It's not sexist. It's like my mother, I've lived with my mother because I have no money. I stay at home. 49 years I've completed in the same house. She still offers me tea, which I never drink and have never drunk. I was like, Mom, 49 years I haven't drunk chai. Why are you offering me chai? Oh.
That's why but
that's very insulting.
Yeah.
I didn't let her have a jab. I made her wait 1 week for the jab because of that.
Good revenge. But you should move outside. You didn't buy Bitcoin or what? You didn't get rich.
No. We had a house somewhere in Jogeshwari where the building collapsed. So I've written to Uddhav Thackeray. No reply. It's gone.
On Twitter, did you write? On Twitter, you must write.
On Twitter, they reply, is it?
On Twitter, they reply.
What was that 42 characters and all? I take a long time to get to the point. I begin with, it's a hot summer's day, my dogs are playing downstairs, what's up? But your ghatna that comes after 2 pages. I always get screwed in these.
Deep down, you want to be a novelist. And you're using Twitter for that. I mean,
I'm the only person who understands me.
Yeah.
I wish you were a woman. Please shave and come back. This is a ridiculous thing. Because actually, that's right. The thing about the world is going so fast, but here we can write a nice story. We can talk about the background, the geography, the ambience, all that, and then get to the point. In this world of T20, just get to the point. The house collapse, kya karu? That's so dry.
Yeah. And then they said, we'll increase 140 characters to 280. Arey, thanks, yeah. Matlab, opening paragraph.
The second paragraph is a repeat of the first paragraph anyway.
Exactly. It's very stupid.
Any repute, yeah. By the way, are you writing a book?
No, I'm not writing a book. Why?
But it's very interesting.
I wrote a tweet last week. Yeah.
Please tell us.
Yeah. No, I'm just saying that's the only amount of writing I can do.
That's the joke. That's the joke. As a seasoned comedian, I should have picked on that. It was just I wrote a tweet, not a book. Yeah, but I wanted to.
You want a bigger joke, but
you're putting the pressure back on me, all the time. Come on, jokes now.
I have made it clear. Cyrus, you're cracking all the jokes. I am laughing. This is my role.
This is not a funny podcast. This is just a really mediocre podcast we put on IVM.
No, correct.
So the other podcasts look good. There's a whole
Correct,
plan.
correct.
We are marketing
No,
people
but-
here. You're
but
an MBA, I'm an MBA. This is what we do.
Yeah. No, but I remember because see, last time I came, I mean, I remember you spoke like some 85% of the time. I laughed in the middle, haha, beach, whatever. And people who heard it said, it was damn funny. You and Cyrus were very funny. And I'm thinking, yaar, maine to kuch kiya nahi. This is a great place to go. Because all I have to do is to listen to your jokes and laugh. And
now we
people
are
love it.
But Mukul, now we have a handicap. You see, now they can see our faces. So that's going to be a problem. That's going to be the challenge. Because, before it was just audio, so we were great. But now they look at us and they get turned off immediately.
That is
I've
also
been
true.
fighting,
That is also true.
fighting this medium. Okay, let me test you as a thespian.
Oh,
Since
shit.
you are, before we go into Sherni,
Huh.
I'm trying to fill in a lot more things.
Huh.
But you're a trained actor. You're an actor now for the last 45 years.
Correct.
So let's see your Shakespeare. Okay? I'll just choose from my pack. So you can see that, there's no cheating going on. For those who can't see, because it's an audio podcast for you, I've got a pack of Shakespeare cards. That's 80% of our market. Because back in the sea towns where this podcast is very big, they don't have the visual yet. So I have to keep explaining ki Mukkal ke paas dari hai and all that. All these weird jokes are wasted.
No, it's like cricket commentary. The commentators think they're still on radio, so they still will say that the ball
I
is going to
love
first slip.
that.
Yeah.
I
It's
love
like they
that.
still say, and he picks it up from mid wicket and he throws it. Because as if we can't see, but they're
और
still in
ये
that
गेंद
world.
हवा में जा रही है और and by the time the sixes happened, the guy has already hit the next ball. It's beautiful. That's such a romantic thing about our cricket comedy. Don't take that away. Ready?
Yeah.
Shakespeare with Mukul. Okay. Oh, it is excellent to have a giant's strength, but it is tyrannous to use it like a giant. I think it's tyrannous to use it like a giant. If you have no idea, you can say no idea.
It's a famous play. I'll show off that I know some place. Coriolanus. I'll say some rubbish like that.
Coriolanus, yeah, very good, very good. It's not. It's measure for measure. I'm trying to find a slightly more popular play, so it's fair. Yeah, I'm going to a popular play now. Okay, fair. This you have to get right.
Shit.
And this you have to get right because this is like every actor knows this, at least one line, the main line, the first line. This above all to thine own self be true, and it must follow as the night the day. Thou canst not then be false to any man. The first line, this above all to thine own self be true.
Yeah, ये सुना हुआ है लेकिन is Midsummer Night's Dream? No, गलत.
No, Baba.
अरे shit.
Tragedy. The big ones, the top 3-4. Think top 3-4. The ones everyone knows.
Not Caesar.
Acha, Gujarati mein, for nashta we say the similar.
Acha,
word.
Hamlet.
Yes,
Hamlet.
yes.
That Gujarati
It
clue
took
was
a
very
little
good.
coaching. It took a little coaching. Mukul, I'm working on you were talking about writing. I'm working on a new series myself.
Huh.
I want you to be the star because it's inspired by you. It's called Mukul Chaddi, not Chadda.
Correct.
And it's basically a story of a man who's basically down to his briefs because he's been broken and beaten. And that's like a metaphor to where he is and how he comes back in life like a champion.
And this is starring Cyrus as Mukul Chaddi. No,
you will play Mukul.
Oh, acha.
And I'm now just trying to find you a
The
significant partner.
Who will play
I
the
want her
Chaddi?
also to be in Chaddi. Yes.
Okay, acha, okay.
So you
No,
just tell me names you're interested in and we'll cast the net wide.
Done. See, ever since I told you that my managers aren't doing a good job on getting money, now you cast me. So this is the only way I think to get work now. Okay, I'm a cheap actor.
Your managers set up this interview. So that can tell you that they're not doing good work. Straight away. You don't go any further.
No, but this interview I'll always come for. Like when I heard that there's a chance to come, I said, where's the sign? I don't know, how much do I pay? Because this is like, I'll pay to come on and chat with you, Cyrus. Come on, it's great fun.
And GST as well, because you are very legal out here.
GST,
you don't take on the government. We go to that line where we abuse the government and then we back off. Just like how you did, no? Ki Dr. Hujja character mein itna hai, and then you didn't cross that line. You talk about darpok and cowardice and all. I like that. Because that's very personal and you're very intelligent man. You backed off. Sir, we need to get into the next story because I want to ask you some personal questions before the break if there's time. Sherni. I screamed that. I apologize. Sherni. Which is Vidya Balan. 18th June. How dare you open on 18th June? You know the World Test Championship.
I know World Test Championship. These people don't understand, yeah.
Two great games on Friday.
Euro का पता नहीं था मुझे, but World Test Championship चल रहा है यार. What is this?
Yeah.
But it will be a 2-hour film, na. World Test Championship will go on coming 6 hours a day. They'll play for 5 days.
They can watch it post
lunch break.
10:30 in the night. No, they can watch it at 11 in the night. Matches over by 10:30.
And they can also, you can finish the movie in lunch break, tea break, 2 days. I mean, it will be done.
They can start it earlier. 3:30 is India time is the start. 3:30 afternoon. What are they doing?
Perfect.
Bloody lazy bastards. Go and watch the Sherni. The
Yeah,
3:30
yeah,
is the
go watch
cricket.
Sherni. Yeah,
And
it's like a
late
warm up
night
to the cricket.
Yeah.
Warm up to the cricket.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's perfect. I'm
Really.
going to do that only. Yeah, so Sherni is Amit Masudkar film starring Vidya Balan, as you said. And this is, it's shot in the jungles of, or the junglish areas of Madhya Pradesh. Sorry, you were saying something?
Just to clarify, you are not the Sherni. Clearly, Vidya would be the Sherni.
Yeah. Because they had a choice. They were like, should we make Mukul Chadha the Sherni or should we make Vidya Balan the Sherni? And I don't know why.
Why would you take this point further? That's what I want to know.
I mean, I don't know why, but they picked her. I mean, they just said, ki, yaar, chalo, I hope you don't
guys
mind.
have
but
no understanding of art and appreciation. They do not understand where talent really lies.
And I'm thinking, so what? This is very genderist, like just because it's Sherni, you're picking a woman to do the role. I mean, that's like, they're very sexist. Yeah, very sexist.
Why can't a lioness be a man or a tigress or whatever
exactly
is?
My point exactly. Because anyway, in my role, what they made me do, because they said, acting aati nahi aapko, so you just walk in the jungle and we will CGI your body with a tiger's body and we'll CGI your face with a tiger's face. But we'll keep the jungle part, so we won't waste that shot.
Now I'm confused. So you are a tiger, you're a sher.
I didn't say anything. I can't say anything. I cannot confirm or deny all this.
You can't disclose. There's a certain suspense.
I never
to watch the full film.
Yeah. As they say, I never reveal unless the script demands it. So I won't do that.
Okay, but 30 seconds on what the story is now. I'm really confused.
So basically, okay. I'll be serious. I'll just tell you that. No, so basically, it's the story. Vidya plays the character of a forest officer. And, it's looking at the issues of, all kinds of issues. I mean, serious issues like wildlife conservation, man-animal conflict, the trade-off between preserving animals, the villagers around, their balance, environment, and then obviously politics, because all politicians and bureaucrats will come and say all kinds of things, hame ye karna, wo karna, etc. And it's all seen through her eyes, how she balances all this or whatever. And I think that's Amit Masudkar's way of kind of showing us all the myriad issues around this, right? So, I think it's a completely different kind of story.
What is Mukul's role? I'm understanding that. Because so she's the conservationist, if that's the right pronunciation.
Yeah.
And you are?
So I play the perfect role for a film that is set there. I play some guy who is got a corporate job selling chips.
Oh.
Yeah.
So you're anti-environment, I presume.
I don't know if I even have a view. I'm that
anti-environment. We don't have a view. It's anti-environment.
Yeah. I'm that insignificant. I'm just the guy who's like, acha wo FMCG ka kaam karta hai. He's like that, poles apart from Vidya.
Mukul, now that you mentioned that, I'll just sidetrack for a second. I want your support on a campaign we've started. We're requesting the LGBTQ group if they can just shorten the name. Because apparently there are too many letters and it's taking too long in a conversation to explain it. So I've just requested whether we can change LGBTQ to something short or small, or even just use another name like Bunty or Prashant or Pushpa, or I came up with names or whatever. But I just thought it'd be easier on the ear and you can recall better because it takes too long to say it. I would like to know Mukul Chadra's stand on this.
Cyrus, I think this is actually in response to your first joke or attempted joke in the beginning of the show. Is maybe they're adding letters because they want to go for the longest English word without a vowel. So in 5 years' time, it will be LGBTQPQRST.
I bow to you, sir. That makes superb sense.
Yeah,
I bow to that. You. You're a novelist yourself.
And you will say it as a word. LGBTQ.
That's what.
And everybody will understand.
Perfect. Now apologize to the community because as a left-leaning liberal actor, you've screwed it up today. How can you say that?
No. We are all I am a very insensitive human being, and I get But the only good thing is that I'm not well known, so nobody gives me galis. Because you have to reach some level before people give you galis. Okay, again I can't hear you, so I'm going to give any answer I want, and the answer is that is Oscar.
Hi, Cyrus. We can't hear you at all. You just went mute.
Okay, so this is that point where I should step in the show and I should just crack jokes, except I have no jokes to crack. So
No, sorry, Cyrus, still can't hear you. I think we're on Mukul Says now, so Mukul can just host this now. I guess for the rest.
Yeah. I think it's like this is the dream. This is what I actually planned. That I'll come and I'll take over the show. Except that people are right now throwing tomatoes on their YouTube screens, saying, "Yaar, isko kya sun?" This is great comedy. Plus, I'm seeing that Cyrus is not wearing trousers. Can I tell everybody that? Is that okay?
Yeah, exactly.
Huh?
Yes, absolutely.
Cyrus, I'm seeing you're not wearing any trousers. Yeah. This is absolutely fantastic. You know, my
It was a cool
biggest
photo.
relief.
Sorry, please say.
Yeah, I'm just saying, I'm just happy because I'm always petrified in these video calls that I'm going to do some major screw up, and I'm just relieved that it's not me, because I'm always petrified. Especially, you know, when you do things like you're only wearing a shirt and not wearing it.
It's
Oh
back.
no! I was trying to hijack the show.
Yeah.
Except my jokes were not funny.
It's going and coming a little bit. Hello, can you hear me now?
No, it's there. You're there. I can hear you.
It's there.
Yeah, I can hear you.
If
Sad
I
news
say
is
you're an
we can hear
idiot,
you.
would you be able to reply?
Absolutely, I am.
They can hear us. Fantastic.
Perfect.
We apologize for this unbelievable break in technology that happened, and I think the blame lies squarely with the people who put the Wi-Fi in this strange place in Fountain where I am right now. It's a little bit of a backward area, Mukul. I do apologize. What did you do for the 2 minutes?
I was trying to crack some jokes, but I failed miserably. Like, I thought, I'll steal this, I'll make this Mukul says. I mean, you know, my time in the sun and all that. Then you got up. You stole the show because you got up and people could see you're not wearing pants.
The physicality.
Yeah, and people are seeing you're not wearing pants. So then obviously that became like the main thing that everybody was looking at. So, matlab, bach gaye. I mean, that was actually a good move on your part, huh? Like physical humor.
So we used visual humor. We used visual humor to cover our tracks on this one. Of course, now I've lost my glasses. I found them.
Very well.
And we do have to go into a break, but we didn't clear up on Sherni. So you are the corporate guy who doesn't really care one way or the other about environment and conservation and all that. What's the clash with her?
I care about Vidya, yeah. Utna bol sakta hu. But you know.
No, I'm listening.
Yeah. No. I'm also thinking like, how much can I say? Can I not say? So my character's name is Pawan. I'm not working in the jungles. I'm working in Mumbai. You know, I mean, I think they said, ki, chalo, yaar, let's limit how much actors have to commute and all that also. So I'm working in Mumbai, but how do I say this? Yeah. So
okay, if you don't want to reveal, that's fine. We can end it there. There are lots of animals in the movie, right?
Lots of animals in the movie. Yeah, you get to see a lot of movies. If you can't, these days in pandemic, you can't go for a safari and all that. You can go and watch this movie. I mean, that's also one way of doing it.
Let me test your knowledge of animals because you did quite well in the Shakespeare test.
Yeah, I failed.
Can you tell me what is the unique feature of polar bears? They have one unique feature. Polar bears. They're basically bears which are racist. They have white privilege.
Yeah, but they're black actually or something like that. No, they're actually black.
They actually, the light makes them more white, etc. But that's not the unique feature. Well, there's one unique feature that all of them share. A physical feature which all of them share, which is like involving their body. The body parts. Not the penis. Not the polar bear's penis. Don't go there.
Give a clue. Anyway. I mean, like unique, I'm thinking anything. They can be underwater. They can live in temperatures below -40.
So in human beings, we are divided in like 85% of human beings have this characteristic and 15% have the other characteristic.
Oh, they're all left-handed. They're all left-handed.
Yes.
What are you saying?
Googled it. You
what are you saying?
I know you Googled it. I saw your
No, you know, Cyrus,
This is the guy. The guy who cheated against Vishy Anand. Yesterday, the guy cheated against Vishy Anand. Unbelievable. He beat Vishy Anand in a chess match, and then of course he had to admit it because you can't just wake up and beat Vishy Anand. I mean, what the hell?
I think he made a mistake. I think he wanted to play to a draw. You know, he thought he'll because if you win, then this will get revealed. Like suppose he had come close. You know, people have said, well played. Jeet gaya, then they'll obviously check.
I play chess. It'll take Vishy Anand 5 minutes, okay, to end my, and I even won in school. But what is that against Vishy Anand? There's no chance.
It's
what
very
are you saying?
sad.
How can we draw? How can we do like a Mexican standoff system? I mean,
and chess.com, which banned his account, they've put out his previous games, and his rating is lower than mine, Cyrus. It's not even my rating. Like it's really bad. Okay, and he's lost to some Dakkan players. He lost in 5 moves. You're talking about 5 moves. He lost in 5 moves to someone 3 days ago, and then he beats Vishwanathan.
Cheating ka bhi ek level hota hai na. I mean, you can't just cheat. You look like an idiot.
No, this is stupid. This you have to like just go a little bit and like get excited if you want to cheat. There was a poker website that did this. The whole poker website, they got players to play and they were cheating. They had their own guy winning the tournament. And then he did the dumbest thing. They got caught because he did the dumbest thing. He had no cards and he called someone's bluff. And it's okay to call someone's bluff, but you can't call someone's bluff when you also have nothing, you know. And then that guy got pissed and they did an audit and get stupid cheating. Don't do stupid cheating. I mean, make money. But sorry, I want to get back to polar bears. I knew that answer only because I guessed it only because I am left-handed.
You're left-handed.
So that statistic of 15%, Turant, I got it.
I've
As soon as you
always
said
wanted to
15%.
ask a slightly personal question to any
Yeah,
left-hander,
please.
but I haven't. And if you don't mind, when you are in the bathroom doing the main thing,
Yeah,
you use your right hand or your left hand? I mean,
right
your
hand,
business.
right hand.
So you're a lefty, you use your right hand for the washing.
Yeah, always.
And when little Mukul wants some company and there's nobody at home, then which hand is preferred for the activity?
It's like see, like Sachin Tendulkar is ambidextrous, right? He can do everything, right? So for important things, you should be very open to any hand.
I see, or maybe it's just so large that perhaps the double-handed technique is. I mean, you didn't want to brag. I understand that you don't show off Mukul. Fair enough.
I'm not Donald Trump. Okay, I'm not Donald Trump. Yeah, I can't say.
We have to go to break, but I won't get time because after that we have to do AMAs. I want to ask some personal questions. Can I ask quickly?
Yeah.
Because just out of sheer boredom, because I have no work, I went through your entire Google thing. Now please answer my questions, Mukul Chadha. Date of birth, वहाँ पे लगा है not known. What do you mean by not known?
It just says not known. I'm that insignificant.
Not known. Nickname, Mukul. Okay, now you're a good Punjabi boy with all my Punju friends have nicknames. Nickname for Mukul, Mukul.
Which this website
is so disappointed.
What website is it?
I mean, Antariksh, our producer Silvery is his pet name. How can your pet name be Mukul?
No, but the internet, everything is true. Once I googled like this, out of my vanity, I said, let me just check, and I saw Mukul Chadha net worth. And I mean, every day it changes. You should try it. Cyrus Bocha net worth. Every Google, every day it changes. One day I have only 2 lakhs in the bank. One day I have 40 million. I mean, it just every day it changes. It's damn good, that site.
Who are the Google writers? Maybe we need them for our shows.
They are those guys who are stuck on Twitter only. They only do like that Twitter.
There's more. Huh? Google, there's more. Age not known. School not known.
I didn't go to school.
Parents, relatives not known.
I didn't go to school.
Only wife, Rasika, Google, all the information is there.
Very well.
Obviously fear.
Yeah.
Fear factor. You made sure that your wife is mentioned everywhere.
Correct.
Top to bottom.
Correct.
Then the one good thing I got is that you're a foodie who has tried food from every city and country. Before we go into break, is this really true?
No.
Have you in every city you visited tried the local cuisine?
No. I think you know what this is. I think this is coming from the fact that last year in lockdown I learned how to cook. Okay, because I had to, no choice. So I was so proud when I made something that had to get thrown in the garbage immediately. I put it on Instagram. So I think for those 2 months, all my Instagram feed had were cooking photos. And somebody who is very jobless has decided that I'm a foodie because I made chana or I made, aloo bhindi, and that makes me a foodie. I mean, that's great.
But there's a geographical point here, beta. It's clearly mentioned that the Mukul Chadha travels the world with work, etc. And wherever he's gone, every city, forget country, every city of every country that he's gone to, let's say you've been to 60 cities conservatively, all 60 cities you have tasted the cuisine of that city and you marked it down because you're that kind of foodie.
No.
So it's all a lie.
It's completely.
But your life is a lie.
But Cyrus, completely.
I have is a lie.
Completely. I'm not even Mukul Chadha.
Will the real Mukul Chadha stand up? We'll take a quick break and we'll bring in Silvery, whose pet name, rather Antariksh's pet name is Silvery. And we'll find out from Mukul what his pet name is in a second. This is the break, Mukul, and you just have to clap your hands and the break is over.
Hello, everybody. Welcome to another great week on the IVM Podcast Network. If you're not following us on social media, please do. We're IVM Podcast on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. I'd like to thank the sponsor on the network this week, Credencia. Thank you so much for making this possible. On Cyrus Says, Cyrus was joined by actress Shreya Pilgaonkar to talk about her career in acting. On Begin the Journey, Ashish Vidyarthi lists down the modern concepts of friendship and how one can choose the right friend circle in life on Begin the Journey. On The Habit Coach, Ashton Doctor was joined by Aisha Bilamoria to talk about running and developing an athletic mentality. Farhad and Sunitra are joined by LGBTQ workplace advocate Suresh Ramdas to discuss the new normal in queer relationships on KBCD. On Tere Mere Raste, Keshav Chaturvedi takes us to the riverbanks of Banaras and describes the soulful mornings to us. And finally, on the Positively Unlimited podcast, Chetna Chakravarti takes the fear out of the word responsibility. And with that, let's get you back to your show.
Follow me at Instagram and Twitter on Bored Brocha. I'm so bored, I need your help. I need your love. I need your touch. Okay, just follow me.
Should I?
Done.
What is that? Okay.
There's young Silvery looking like he's just woken up, sat through the first half.
Silvery?
Must have slept until he suddenly realized, oh, that's a long story.
Silvery, yes.
Okay.
He woke up only when my audio went.
Yeah, he was disturbing me, when your mic went off and I tried to take over the show and I said, Mukul says, He was so
Mukul, he
upset.
looks like your younger brother.
Yeah, he does actually. And he was so upset that I think it's also because he's woken up. I also just woke up. He just got so upset with my jokes. They were so bad that he just kept saying, no, I'm sorry, but please, I need to talk to Cyrus and get this mic thing fixed. He was like,
That's
this
so
is
sorry. I mean that.
it was like,
Silvery's
shit.
professional training is how to save the situation when my tech goes crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So he knows how to do that. Yeah, he's the man he's like the night watchman in the batting lineup. He used to play those.
I was just relieved my mic didn't mess up because I'm always petrified with this. I'm a
I just blamed you.
loser.
I was just hoping that it's
of
you.
course. Yeah. But nobody heard you, so it's okay. But nobody heard you when you were doing it, so it's okay.
That's 2 good jokes for the day, Mukul. 2 good jokes and also getting a Hamlet almost correct. Very good, very good. It's been a good run for you. All right, let's get into it. So once again, to remind everyone, Sherni on June 18th. That's when the World Test Championships is on, but you can download and watch anytime you want to with Vidya Balan. He's not going to tell us much about that, but it's very interesting. What do you call it? A thriller?
No, I don't know if it's a thriller. I think it's a
Romantic thriller?
No, it was a romantic thriller. No.
Documentary, Satyajit Ray kind of.
Documentary thriller, social issues, documentary thriller, सब कुछ डाल दो.
Educative info, pornographic.
Educative info and human drama also, and animal drama also.
Pornographic भी बोलने का otherwise how do we
Animal drama. Why don't we call it animal drama?
Animal drama. I like that.
Yeah, I like
Sounds
that. Yeah.
Sounds like the business of politics, but yeah, okay, fine. Now,
Yeah.
And then
Politicians भी है उसमें. हाँ.
There you go. So we're okay.
See,
and then
Animal
Santra, crime comedy show, which is ongoing, where he plays Dr. Ahuja, which is going to be great fun. I'm dying to watch that. I'm sure everybody is. That's Mukul Chadda's work so far. He also has learned cooking and he can make chana.
Correct.
And he uses his left hand for various things and his right hand for cleaning.
Correct.
Now we've got that out of the way. We can invite Silvery to take the show to a good level.
Sure.
Silvery ji.
Yes, sure. Let's get to
You
the AMA.
bastard, because you're a comedian, you don't laugh at anything we say. That's such goodness and anger in that.
No, not
Yeah, I thought it's his face, but it's actually a joke, so it's fine.
It's a joke. It's just us. Because it's a visual now. You laughed at the short pants or whatever, but he doesn't even laugh at that anymore. He's just, and if he's blushing, we can't tell because of that heavy beard. Bolo, sir.
That's
Yeah. What do you have on the lineup?
All right, cool. Let's get to the AMAs. The first one.
I mean, Silvery, there are complaints. Please keep your hands up because you're a young boy. We don't know what you're doing with your hands.
Okay, sure.
And are you left-handed or right-handed?
Are you
Are you left-handed or right-handed?
Are you left-handed or right-handed?
I am. For most things, right-handed. Some things, left-handed.
Okay.
Everybody's something left. So what is the thing that you're left-handed? You can't remember.
Like when I pick stuff up, I feel more comfortable picking it up from the left hand.
Then you're left-handed.
Like if I'm reaching for
Then
something.
you're left-handed.
What is wrong with you Punjabis? What is he saying?
I don't know what he's saying. He's very confused. Boss, that is known as being left-handed. I mean,
Yes.
you, me, and polar bears. What is common to all of us, right? I love polar bears now. I love polar bears. They're my favorite animal now.
All are left-handed. Not one is right-handed. So when you're
Amazing.
being attacked by a polar bear, the left hand will attack you first. Just you have that 1 second to
Yeah.
do a Floyd Mayweather, duck or whatever.
No, I was thinking of a polar bear playing cricket, and thinking about the elegance of that, मतलब वो Lara type. Excellent. Yeah. Imagine a polar bear doing those strokes.
Way off the wicket, over point and cover. Yeah, fabulous.
Yeah.
Lara the polar bear, where we've taken our lives, really. Shall we go back to Silvery and AMAs?
Yes.
It is.
Sure. Yes, the first AMA comes from Gayatri Ravi. She says, Sunflower, how do you deal with an annoying neighbor unlike the way you did in the web series? I wanted to ask, why did your character not approach the apartment association to sort the parking issue?
What?
Mukul.
Listen.
It's a decent question, boss, because we're all screwed by these frigging neighbors and these frigging corporate societies that we're all part of. So his point is, why did the character not approach the apartment association, which is like the second level of governance?
That is a very first of all, let me tell you, I'll tell you as Dr. Ahuja, I get along with all my neighbors. I don't want to know.
Can you put on the Dr. Ahuja voice?
देखिए, इसमें कोई दिक्कत है ही नहीं, ठीक है, कोई उलझन नहीं है, हम अपने आप में सुलझा लेंगे. Okay, but then privately, I will find a solution because I am a man. Okay, I will take matters in my own hand and I will deal with it myself. So building society के लोगों के लिए तो मतलब मैं एक सीधा साधा प्रोफेसर हूँ, अध्यापक हूँ, मतलब मैं तो ऐसे प्रॉब्लम में बिलीव ही नहीं करता हूँ, सिर्फ उपाय में.
But Sarji, technically, if you have a parking and you don't have a car, it's still your parking because that's the deal in the contract.
Of course.
So it's
बिल्कुल.
your decision. अगर वो
बिल्कुल.
parking use कर सकते या ना use कर सकते, that's in your decision, your hands.
बिल्कुल नहीं. और वो पार्किंग करना चाह रहे हैं तो अनुमति लेनी चाहिए ना उनको.
Fair enough.
Yeah.
Matter solved. But we didn't answer the question, but we've lost interest, so we can go to the next.
Exactly. That's the good part about this. Yeah.
All right, cool. Next
I
one
used to do
comes
that in
from.
exams. There's so many questions when you're doing an exam. Don't you remember, guys? Just see the questions and better दूसरा दे दो. Immediately you think like that. I wish we had that option.
At least you know some answer, na? At least you go show up to the teacher. I know some answer.
Yeah, because the answers didn't match those 4 questions. That's the bloody problem.
Yeah, that's the only problem. That's the only problem.
That's why I'm stuck in a podcast instead of an MBA from, IIM Ahmedabad and then a bank job in New York, which had paid me crores of rupees, and I retired at 32 with a yacht and fucking 5 girlfriends and lived in Kingston, Jamaica for the rest of my life.
Except-
but no, I want to become an actor. I come to Bombay, I struggle in stupid small parts, and now I'm doing this bloody show called Sunflower and Vidya Balan's love interest in Sherni somewhere far away. This is what's happened to me.
And then I come into Cyrus' show. Imagine. I come as a guest on
You
Cyrus' show.
dropped the bomb. You dropped
That's
the
it.
bomb.
That's all.
You carried us for 2 full minutes, beta, when we had this tech problem because some idiot pulled his own mic out. Sounds very vulgar. I'll put my mic back. Next.
Okay. Answer.
All right, sure. Next one comes in from Mittu Chaudhary. He says, absolutely loved Mukul in The Office. He really translated the character so well. Did he improv any dialogues while shooting? Asking because it all felt so natural.
Well, we've asked him all this in the last time, but let him go for it. Yeah.
Yeah. No, I think it's actually a compliment
Are
to
you
your
allowed?
questions.
You weren't allowed.
What, allowed to change dialogues?
Well, little improv, I'm sure they can't do anything because
Yeah.
language change, but
No,
you have
exactly.
to follow the script, no?
Yeah, we had a showrunner who was quite tough about the script. But I think the bulk of the lines, I would say 90-95% of it were all scripted. And, of course, in some scenes here and there, you change a few lines sometimes. And I think as we went further along in the episodes, we made a few changes. But it's a great thing to hear that it felt natural to you and therefore it felt like it was all improvised. But I would say the bulk of the lines were all written down. Which is, come on, all those crazy things that they made me say. You think, so it took twisted writers to write nonsense like that. Who can say stuff like that? It's complete lunacy, what this guy says.
Yeah.
But you also won an award, which we didn't mention the last time.
Yeah. You should mention
for
it.
The Office.
You should mention, yeah.
No, let's mention it.
Yeah,
what is the award?
I have to quickly check, yeah. I'll go to my Instagram and check quickly. I shouldn't be
But
saying
मेरे
this.
पास है. Don't worry.
Oh, you have. Say.
By the way, it even has your bloody weight and height and all. I wanted to ask you that. Now I have to find it again.
Are you serious? That's superb.
And weight and height bhi galat hai, I think.
No, I was going to buy a weighing scale. I don't need to buy. You can tell me now what my weight is.
Yeah. I have to open. And me and tech, I'm still finding Silvery's email. It's going to take a long time. Press this button.
ET Brand Equity and Spot Awards. उन्होंने दे दिया Best Actor. Thank you so much. I'm very grateful. I remember
Spot
this.
Awards.
Spot Awards. I remember this. Yes.
वो award कहाँ है?
नहीं यार, वो
It's
pandemic.
one thing you don't remember, but award तो है ना आपके पास?
नहीं, वो pandemic में हुआ था. So I didn't even
Thank
go. I swear, I had to record from the house. I swear, it's the worst. The one award I win, bloody lockdown happens. I'm sitting at home. I have to just record a video saying thank you very much for the award, and that's it. It happens online. कुछ नहीं मिला.
And the award stays there because physically they've not given you the award.
Yeah. I don't think they spent the money also to get someone to make one award. Why waste money? And all those guys also were in lockdown. So how can they make it?
So, online award का मतलब है that actually it's only an online award.
Yeah,
it doesn't physically become an award and come to you.
No.
I don't like this. Yeah. This Silvery, you do something about this. Cancel the
please.
LGBT issue about the words. Let's take this forward first.
Yeah.
Awards should be proper awards. This is something his parents and friends are already proud of. Now you want to show the awards.
Cyrus has 44 awards. He's got 3 closets full of them.
I've got my award. My award's gone somewhere.
Yeah.
My wife threw it out.
Oh.
I had a Lions Club had given me one citation for coming 20 minutes early for an event, and it's there, the bag somewhere. Yeah, I hold the record for Rotary Club meetings. I've done 37 of them, free of cost. Really. So please, if anybody from Rotary Club is listening, don't call. For God's sake.
My dad goes, and he goes online also on time. He goes freezing. Every Rotary meeting he does online, Zoom. He's the biggest Zoom consumer I know.
Cool. So there are 2 types of people in the world. Your dad and me are on one type, which is always on time.
Correct.
And then there's the other type.
Correct.
And the clash is
Correct.
not about democracy and fascism. It's about this one, I'm telling you.
Correct.
The great Narendra Modi, the PM you voted for, he's known to be on time. And I'm told that Dr. Vijay Mallya kept him waiting at the very first meeting when they were doing Mandoli compromise.
So that's why he got kicked out of the country.
Very pissed. Yeah, it's jaundiced his views a little bit towards the man.
Oh.
But Vijay Mallya is famous for not being on time. So you see, the world is divided into time and non-time.
Yeah, but Listen, if you're going to run a huge beer company, I mean, how will you come on time?
No, Narendra Modi doesn't run a beer company.
No,
You got it wrong.
Vijay
He
Mallya.
runs a country.
That's true.
Vijay Mallya runs.
Vijay Mallya.
Just clarifying. Yeah. Award जाएगा बेटा हाथ से जाएगा. Tao. Okay. Silvery,
वो
what's
है
next?
वो है ही नहीं हाथ में, so it's okay.
जो है नहीं वो है नहीं. Correct. This is like those brides you order, no? They don't really come. Lots of people try online bride service and all.
You also got conned by that?
Why? I just, as an experiment, wife was gone to Hyderabad. I had a couple of months to myself. I'm not a left-hander. There's no variety. So I... Silvery Bolo, next.
All right. Next one comes in from Sid DA. He says, Mukul loved banana bread. Is it helpful to work on an assignment with your wife or is it difficult?
Wow.
I was damn scared that it's going to be very difficult. And I think the one thing that really worked is we got a third person to direct it. Even if it was very hard doing this remote direction and all, because there was a guy on a video conference, Srinivas, who came in, and thank God for that, because if either of us had to direct each other, which is happening anyway in the house all the time, it would have been a nightmare. But when you're working as co-actors, it's not as much of a problem, because generally it's easy to get along with actors because you're generally bitching about the producer and the director and all these people. So it wasn't difficult at all actually. I worked with Rasika on 2 other things, and working as co-actors was fine.
Are you working on a child?
No. That again is like, that's something that just one person has to do all the work. So that doesn't matter.
Beta, you attacked the PM. Now you're attacking your personal PM. I'd be very careful. You have no place to hide after this.
No.
Yeah.
See, she doesn't have time to watch all this.
Thank God she's like my wife. So we can say what we want. Those bloody women. Yeah, Mukul, they're driving me mad. Don't watch. If they watch Silvery and our bodies are found in somewhere in Goregaon, please understand why it happened and do something about it. But people talk about their husband and wife working together. The truth of it, please correct me if you think it's different, is that one person has to be dominant. There's no egalitarianism or democracy in marriage.
Of course.
After a point. So if you're directing,
that's what I believe. That's why I believe.
So 2 of you together, one person has to take the lead. You can't say, okay, theek hai, aapki kya opinion. It'll go on forever.
Yeah. No, which is why we got an external director. No, best.
Who's the external director?
We got somebody to... Srinivas directed that film.
It was a threesome. I see.
Yeah. And he was on video conference. Think about adding to the thing. He was on a video conference.
He's part of the award culture. Correct. Okay, banana bread. Next.
All right. Next one comes in from Kashin Shetty. He says, Morning, Mukul.
Hey, Kashin.
What's the one film...
Everyone knows Kashin.
Hi, Kashin.
Oh, you know Kashin? Nice.
Yeah. Who doesn't know Kashin?
Everyone knows Kashin. No?
Yeah.
He's like everybody's Kashin.
What's the one film/show role that was as fulfilling as acting in the play ILA?
Ila. So Kashin is revealing his theatre background to everybody.
Ila's a name.
Ila's a name. Ila's a play that I've done, which I would like to say still doing, but of course there's been no theatre happening for the last year and a half. And it's a great play. So Kashin, the great thing about Kashin, I have to tell everybody since he's asked the question, Kashin is like, I was in college. He's the Sanjeev Kumar of theatre. Kashin will get roles which are 20 years older than him. So that's the beauty of Kashin, which is why he's the star of Mumbai theatre. But Kashin, I would say the role that's been most fulfilling for me has been Jagdeep Chadha in The Office. Because that's just in all ways. It's we did 28 episodes, completely crack character, and it was a lot of fun. So I think that's probably the one role that I would point out.
Although I'm quite looking forward to Dr. Ahuja, I'll tell you why.
Yeah.
There's this type of building uncle I hate. I just hate that guy. And in my lane and the lane next to me, they're just filled with them. They're just irritating. They're always aggressive, abrasive, always trying to get their voice heard, finding a fault with every little thing. And somewhere I think the Dr. Ahuja character is the germ is from that group of people across India. In all our building societies, we have these guys. So I think Dr. Ahuja is going to be fun. I want to see what he's...
I can see the anger in you, Cyrus. I think you are Dr. Ahuja also. I think you'll
I'm
really...
Dr. Ahuja.
Yeah, I think
I'm
you are.
Dr. Ahuja's father. I'm the father of Dr. Ahuja.
Yeah, you
also called
fact,
Dr. Ahuja.
In fact, you'll call me after the thing and saying you weren't angry enough. I think you'll come and say that. I have a feeling.
I'm still pissed off with the names. Everywhere we go, these names, sunflower, sunshine, sun this, sun that, win this, win that, see this, see that. What the hell? Yeah? They have no bloody idea of names. All the names are from a genetic code of 10 words. From those 10 words, all the names have come. Look at Silvery. What a beautiful name that is. It stands out.
True. Yeah, it's true. It's true. And Antariksh.
That's forgot.
Yeah, Antariksh.
Super.
Oh, sorry. Also great.
Yeah, super.
Yes.
Send him an award online. You'll get an award online. Rotary Club?
Okay.
Rotary Club.
Yep, sure. That works. All right. Next one.
He's treating us with disdain. Mukul, it's an age
Yeah,
thing.
he's like,
No,
yeah,
not all.
he wants to go
He
back to sleep.
smiles after he spat on
He-
you. Yeah,
He's going back to sleep. He said, I've got 5 questions. You're taking 5 hours to answer 5 questions. मुझे सोना है.
Exactly. और एक middle-aged man से 2 middle-aged man हो गया, तो it's too much for him. Go on, sir.
All right. Next one comes from Harvesh Kasad. He says, when can we
All
expect?
these are regulars.
Yeah, all these are regulars. When can we expect the second season of Sunflower to come out?
I hope
that in the
soon.
works?
I mean, this is no. I have no idea actually. I'm just being that greedy actor who says that let's hope it happens, because I had a blast on set and I had a blast playing that character. So if in fact I would hope all of you go and watch the show so that ZEE5 gets very happy and they get lots of subscriptions and then they commission season 2. But as of now, I mean, I would think that they would like to do it, but I hope it happens soon. But it hasn't. We haven't.
I think season 2 being commissioned is not the issue. It will be commissioned. The problem is, will we be allowed to go to work properly? The 7 hours and 9 hours and 4 hours and 25 people on set and all that. That has to get a little easy.
Yeah,
I
that'll
spoke
take.
to your
I think.
producer.
I think it'll take. Yeah, Cyrus, please talk. Yeah, talk.
No, they're on the phone with me right now. What are their names?
This is a Good Company. Is the producer?
Good
Just call them a Good Company. Yeah, good. It's one of those like those building names, Sunflower. So Good Company. One very
इतनी
generic
आलसी
name.
सोच लाइफ में कभी सुना?
हाँ.
They came up with good
Good
as the name for the company. I mean, that's the first 30 seconds of sitting down and thinking, what should we call the company? Good to teacher.
No, I think they had a long meeting. They said, should we name it Nice Company or Good Company? And then there was like one discussion, and then they came up with Good Company.
Wow. If they do very well, will it become very good company? I mean, what's the next step?
It could. I think it could. I think season 2 will be made by very good company. And season 3
Don't
best.
bitch out the people who are giving you work.
Yeah.
These are the good guys who support actors.
Listen, I am counting
Good
on
company, you're doing a wonderful job.
I am counting on the fact that nobody listens to Cyrus says.
Nobody
So I
listens.
can say
Nobody.
whatever the fuck.
Even my mother stopped. 4 episodes. When your own mother stops after 4 episodes, she said, I can't take it, you talk too fast. So I said, okay, mom, but I talk too fast at home also. She said, at home I don't listen to you anyway. So, okay, fine, fair enough. Okay, moving on to the next question.
All right. Next one comes in from Vikalp Manocha. He says, Vinu Mankad is inducted into the ICC Hall of Fame.
Yeah.
Hopefully, ICC bans the term mankading. What are Cyrus's views?
They have sort of. It's
Yeah, I have got views on this also. Yeah. But Cyrus, you go ahead.
Please. No, you go ahead. You go ahead.
Mukul, you
No, this Mankading actually gets my goat. I mean, forget the name is one thing. But why the hell is it against the spirit of the game? Because for me and Vikalp, I mean, I think you might identify with this. It's like saying all these guys say, you must give the non-striker a warning. I mean, then next they'll start saying, when the guy is getting out stumped, because it's the same thing. The wicketkeeper say, "Arey, you stepped out of the crease, please come back." Or even for a run out. I mean, please, I'm giving you a warning. I mean, what nonsense is that? Yeah, you take a risk by stepping out.
No, but having said
out.
that, wherever the Mankading has happened, they have been warned, including Ashwin in the IPL. There has been one warning at least.
Why?
With Josh Butler.
But why? I am of the view there should be no warning. Usko out hi kar do, yaar. What is the problem?
Because he's taken 22 yards and made it 15 yards by walking forward.
Yeah,
so he's cheated in a
exactly.
sense. Uska 15 yard ka run hai, and when it was 22 yards. So chance of run out has gone down by about 20%. It is literally 15 yards because they take 3 to 4 steps out.
Yeah, so
and with the bat, you do the maths, it's almost like 1/4 has been covered.
Even when they say, he's just, Ricky Ponting said he just stepped out by a foot. If you run out by half an inch, you run out. I mean, there's no that, he's almost there. It's out. You took a risk by taking a second run. It didn't work out. You paid the price with your wicket. Yeah, I mean the same thing. You're trying to get a head start.
Silvery, don't mess with Dr. Ahuja. That's the point. You're pissed him off again.
Yeah, I get
Keep
very
your back
angry
in the
about
crease. It's like keeping your penis in your pant. You young men go around, impregnating people and causing India's population to burgeon. It's all your fault, beta. You behave yourself. Is your mom listening?
Sure.
Is your mom listening?
Probably yes.
Auntie, sorry. Very sorry. I keep forgetting you're listening. I think we're 3 guys sitting outside a bar trying to get in without dates, which was my 90s growing up experience.
Well, at least
Mukul who was in New York.
Yeah, at least somebody's mother is listening to the show. I said at least somebody's mother is listening to the show.
He's the only one. She's been a strong supporter of Silvery. Not necessarily me and you, but definitely Silvery. So at least we've got, you're right. We probably go to double digits in terms of regular listeners. Not bad, no?
Not bad.
It's more than I can do if I go down my lane and call people. Never go.
Because you have uncles you have all those uncles in your building who you are angry with. Why will they come?
Every uncle has an auntie, and every uncle and auntie have a daughter. So boss, it's not all bad news. Now back to Silvery.
Yeah. One quick thing, mankading is basically when you bowl and the runner is already outside the crease, and then you stop and you just hit the bails or whatever, hit the wicket, right? But
so
why?
On your delivery, you sort of stop and then you run him out because he's moved overhead. Generally,
why is
cricket,
why is that a problem though? Why is that a problem? Why is mankading a problem?
Very, very
So
good
they
question.
say it's against the spirit of the game because it's like deceit.
Oh, okay.
And they give a real racial touch to it because Mankad started it and we are known to, not follow the English ways and, stop and bow and say, sorry, sir, whatever.
Okay.
Although I still feel you should warn them. I don't see the big deal. But in a gully cricket, which we play in my lane, I've allowed one warning and then after that, you're allowed to Mankad it. But those are my rules, which are different. But you can see where he's coming from. And it's Mankaded, not Mankading, but it's okay. You can say Mankading.
Actually, the problem is Vikal's question was we should change the term. And all we've done while answering this question is say Mankaded all the time. So sorry, Vikal.
Well, who raised the issue and went berserk? Who was really upset? For the first time, the show was genuinely upset. Not about the acting, not about the politics, not about the building governments, but only this drove you nuts.
Yeah, obviously. It's a very big issue.
Have you ever done it in your local cricket? Wherever you played? Have you Mankaded anyone?
I haven't played cricket for many years, but I think we should do it in our gully cricket without a problem. हम तो करते
If the guy goes out, you just run him out.
Yeah, definitely. हम तो बहुत चीजें करते थे.
Left-handed or right-handed?
Cyrus is looking at me. Cyrus is looking at me that you are not part of the spirit of the game.
I'm torn. Frankly, I'm torn. I understand your point of view, and I like the little bit of tradition, so I'm a bit torn. But I like the fact that Vinu Mankad should not be remembered for this, being one of the greats of the game, all-rounder, who scored a century and took so many wickets in one test match, etc., etc. I mean, he has to be remembered for other things. This is almost like a villainous way to, the way they write it, the Western press.
The way they write it,
yeah, it makes it sound like, the Oriental or the what do they call us? The Asian, there's always the Asian is the cunning, the shrewdness, that sort of, I don't want to get into racist, but it is a
But the good part is it might soon be called getting Ashwin, because Ashwin is like taking over that mantle. So then, he might relieve Mankad of that title.
Well, if Jadeja takes Ashwin's place in the test lineup for the WTC, then would that be a Jadejad or Ashwin?
That could also be. But Jadeja, I think he's too good.
They may not play two spinners, and we see only one will play, and we see who plays. A little better bat. Although Ashwin has a good record too, but then left-hand bat. We've lost our young man. Everybody hates cricket, by the way.
No, it's fine.
No. But do you think four pacers? Four pacers
I think
and one spinner, and six, and then Ashwin and Jadeja 7 and 4.
I think they'll do that. I think they'll do Jadeja.
I think we'll cream New Zealand.
I don't know about that, I'm very scared because they've been playing, they got match practice. You know how India's test series, sorry, I diverge, taking this into a cricket show because we love cricket even though we know nothing about it, at least I don't.
Yeah.
But India's test series, if you see all of them, we start playing from the second test onwards. That first test is that warm-up match.
First test is a gift. It's a Mehman culture. Yeah.
So and WTC is one test match. I mean, they've really figured us out and screwed us.
So Virat says, if we just had one more test. But then again, Bolt has to come back and report to Mumbai Indians and Williamson to Hyderabad. You have to be very careful. Yeah, be very careful. Decide where your future really is. Yeah. Okay, let's squeeze one more in. This cricket conversation is killing Silvery's mood.
No, not at all. It's fine. The last one comes from
Your voice is gone. You're so upset.
No, it's fine. No worries. Don't worry.
You hate cricket.
No, I'm like
with every bone of your body.
I'm indifferent.
It is the worst game.
I'm indifferent to cricket, basically.
If Virat Kohli passes you, would you say hello to him or would you ignore him?
That's like me saying my character doesn't care about the environment, therefore I hate the environment. Same thing, same.
Yeah. I would flip him off. No, I'm just joking. I'm just joking. Just for that reaction.
This is not some politician. This is the great Kohli. Show some respect, beta. Then,
next one comes from Ronnie. Sorry. Ronnie Clipper asks, hi Mukul, you were exceptional in The Office, loved your character. It would be interesting to know your favorite genre in cinema in terms of acting and watching, plus who's your all-time favorite actor? So your favorite genre in acting and watching.
There's a lot of questions. Okay, first of all, thank you. Thank you, Ronnie. That's very kind of you to say. My all-time favorite actor, I could name a few. I think Philip Seymour Hoffman is somebody I'm a huge fan of. I mean, I don't think I've seen a single performance of his where I'm not glued to watching what he's doing. I mean, he can be in the background doing, he's not even got a line. He's in the background and my eyes are glued to watching him. So I think he's probably one name that comes to mind. There are several.
Also, you prefer blonde, so I think that would make sense.
Yeah, that's part of it, right? And I mean, generally, especially overweight blondes is my category.
He's dead, bro. He's dead. Let go.
That's also there. Necrophilia, yeah, all that stuff. You can add so many things into this. I'm really.
I'll
interested.
I'll market you for this.
Really but warning. But you have to give me a warning first. Yeah. My favorite genre.
I'm going to market you.
My favorite genre, I think, I'm of late. I like a mix of. I have always liked thrillers, and I think the reason is, I think about a theory on this, that whatever your dreams are, my dreams are all thrillers. Like and I think I enjoy a lot of thrillers, and but thrillers with drama. I mean, like thriller come drama is one genre which is a great genre for me, and comedy is another one. I think these are my favorite genres to watch. But when it comes to acting, then I'm kind of not just indifferent. I would like actually to work in multiple genres, because I've also got kind of slotted in a comedy genre because I've done a lot of work in comedy, and I'm trying to break that. So I'd like to do work in multiple different genres. So from an acting perspective, I think it's great to try everything.
What about adult erotica? Would you give it a try?
Nobody offers me a role there, Cyrus. I wonder why. I've tried so hard. I've even auditioned taking my clothes off, and that's when they close their eyes. I don't know what is the problem. I just don't get those roles. It's very difficult.
You think your wife would be okay?
With what?
Have you ever done a
She laughs. There's one in Sunflower. Now Cyrus is going to watch. Because he likes to see ugly people in steamy scenes.
Wait, one sec. Now I'm definitely going to watch. In Sunflower,
there's a lovemaking scene. There's a lovemaking scene. So if you want to see ugly people do that, you should go for it. Yeah, I mean,
I have a mirror. That's not the issue.
That's the thing.
The problem is not that. But I'm dying to see it now. God, this is going to be fun. Who's the lucky lady?
The lucky lady is Mrs. Ahuja, played by Radha Bhatt, who I think has done a fantastic job in the show. And she's everybody is sending her messages now saying, "Why the hell are you married to this guy? Why the hell are you married to this guy?" Yeah.
Sir, one question that comes to mind. Before the lovemaking scene, did you give her one warning before Mankading?
Many warnings. I mean, I think, poor thing, I felt bad for her only. That, listen, whatever it is, I mean, although, even if it's, you're, just to be in proximity with someone like me must be quite upsetting. So,
quickly, I know we're running out of time. But were the clothes off?
Cyrus is getting very excited right now. I can see him like he's subscribing to Z5.
I'm through the roof. He's like, through the roof. I've lost interest in your career. I only want to focus on this.
Z5, this subscription ka paisa, give me 10% commission, because Cyrus is only... Cyrus,
So fully. I have to check.
He's checking. Cyrus is checking.
I have to check. Take a chance on this one, yeah. Whole body of work and
this show and Cyrus is putting on Sunflower and he's forwarding to the fans.
I audience wants to know, so you completely.
Yeah, Cyrus, there's a triple X, there's a full triple X scene. I'm telling you.
You know what? Tell me, were you? I've just done a film where there's a bit of lovemaking scene, but they made me wear clothes. They decided not to make it so bad.
Yeah, they were upset with me. They said that it's just aesthetically not very pleasing. So they kept some clothes on, but this lovemaking scene and all happened.
There's a difference between us and polar bears. They would never do this kind of stupid stuff.
No, I've never seen somebody to tell the polar bears not to take their clothes off. I've never seen that. I've just it's not happened.
And a polar bear with another polar bear is, I mean, what could be better action than that? Oh, the WTC, which is also on the 18th, which is also when we see Sherni. So we've got to see everything on the 18th. 18th is packed, bro. 18th is a huge day. Don't work on the 18th. India declares it a holiday because all these things have to be watched.
And we need India. We need your support to help the Indian team survive that bowling lineup. I'm very nervous when I see Bolt and Ferguson all running, and I'll get very nervous.
They're also going to play 4. They'll play Satna at 6 or something like that, and they're also going to play 4 seamers. It'll be 4 seamers. Even though they say it'll spin on the 4th and 5th day. Silvery is yawning. I can see him stretching. No. He's losing interest. He's calling his supplier. He can't do this anymore. Fair enough. Okay, Mukul, listen, great talking to you. Please come back and chat with us anytime. And I'm sure Sherni and Sunflower are going to do really well. Can't wait, folks. If you're watching, watch Sunflower. Record the scene where he's making love to Mrs. Ahuja and tell us your comments about it. We'll get him back and we'll go through we'll play it and go through only that scene, frame by frame. Because here...
I'll come back just for that.
We uncover the truth here, brother. We're like a poor man's Ornob, which is saying something. All right. Bye. See you.
See you, Sai. This is great. Yeah, thanks a lot. Okay,
bye, guys.
Bye. Thank you, Antariksh.
Okay, catch us on any of the podcasting apps, please. We beg you, we need you. Send us your questions on Twitter, on Cyrus Says In. Or you can email us, even if you're not female, on whatcyrussays@gmail.com.
Hi, I'm Zarina Poonawalla, host of the Empowering Series podcast on the IVM network. I happen to be a peak performance coach and leadership coach by profession, and I'm here to share with you productivity tools, life-altering techniques, and real-life hacks to help you achieve your maximum potential in everything you do, your relationships, professions, careers. So tune in every Monday to unleash your inner power. Be safe, be well, be empowered.
Namaskar, dear friends. My name is Ashish Vidyarthi. Life, as you know, is a journey. And you and I, travelers, how can we celebrate this travel? I have a podcast for you, Begin the Journey. I share stories and moments from my life. Do tune in every Monday and Thursday to listen to my podcast on the IVM Podcast website, app, or wherever you get your podcast from. Cheers.